Hey everyone, today I'm sharing my thoughts on the Tesora premium electric kettle in white that I recently bought from Amazon. Let's jump right into what makes this kettle special. This kettle can hold up to 1.8 liters of water, which is about 3 to 4 glasses. It's made with stainless steel inside and has the double wall design for safety, so you can handle it easily even when it's boiling. It runs on 1500 watts of power, so just plug it in, add some water and switch it on to start boiling. The best part, it automatically turns off when the water boils, so you don't have to worry about it boiling dry. The power button is right on the handle for easy access, and there's a filter in the spout to keep out any junk. Plus the cord is nice and long, giving you the flexibility in wherever you place it. The kettle is portable, looks sleek and comes in different colors to match your kitchen aesthetics. To sum up, I'm really impressed with this Tesora premium electric kettle. It's affordable but still has top-notch features, making it perfect for any home. If you're thinking about getting an electric kettle, definitely give this one a look.